Yo guys, welcome to another video. Today we have Adam, you know. Now we're going to a rolling oval meet today, big Ford meet, so, and Adam's bringing his little G-Tech S, little shitbox. But yeah, we'll see you there. Yo guys, we finished the rolling oval meet. It was really good. I think they've probably raised quite a bit for charity, to be honest. A lot of cars turned up. I'm back with Adam in his car now. We're just gonna go get some food from McDonald's. And then I've created a little meet in Hensford Tesco. So hopefully a couple of people will come. Alex is coming. A couple of my other friends are coming, so should be quite a good meeting. I'll bring you some footage when we get there.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey,
there was a little bit of a hiccup, guys. We went to Hensford Tesco, but it was way too fucking... Oh, little Cooper look. Nice. Hi, Beefer. Yeah, we went there and it was way too busy to stay there, so we're having the meet at Marcus Drive. There's Alex! Hey! You haven't seen his car since he's had these new lights put in. You have a lot there, the DRLs. Put the indicators on, Alex. Hey! They're going the wrong way, but still. But yeah, you haven't seen that since, so that's what he's been doing recently. And then there's Adam's little G-Tech. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just in case he was to like floor it off, then I know you can't.
He says it's a Nismo, but it's not a Nismo. That's what I'm saying. He's misrepresenting. Sorry for the poor lighting and visuals, guys, but I had to show you another member of our group's car. This is Steve's Audi A5 in the background. He's done quite a lot to it. When we first met and he first bought it, it was totally standard, and now have a look. Changed it to the reg plate on the side and the ex-UK grille, black grille, the RS5 grille. Got new A6 alloys on the side, and this is a 2-litre turbo A5 Quattro, 210 brake standard, but it's been remapped and other stuff, so yeah, very nice car. Sounds nice. Pops nicely. Yo guys, some night driving with Dominic. Yeah, you can tell your turbo's open. Because it's just like, oh my god, you're gonna piss off so many people. I don't want to die as well. I love that noise. I could literally see that car pulling out. I was like, oh my god, he's going for the overtake and the fucking car's going to pull out in front of us. What's the fucking thing? That sounds so cool. Oh, we're just approaching 60, guys. Backfire for days, guys. This is where your drive shaft goes. Because it's spinning. Oh, that was a meaty one.